If your PS4 suddenly shows a red pulsing light and shuts itself off, it can feel like the console has completely died. The good news is that in most cases, a red pulsing light on a PS4 does not mean the console is permanently dead. In this video, we'll break down exactly what the PS4 red light means, why it happens, and what you can realistically do to fix it without risking further damage. What the PS4 red light of death actually means. On a PlayStation 4, a pulsing red light officially indicates overheating. According to Sony, when the console detects internal temperatures that are too high, it will automatically shut down to prevent hardware damage. This safety feature is often mistaken for a total system failure, but it's actually designed to protect the PS4's internal components. It's also important not to confuse this with other light issues, such as a blinking blue light or a solid white light, which point to different problems entirely. Why your PS4 is overheating. The most common reason for the red light of death is restricted airflow. Over time, dust builds up inside the console and blocks ventilation paths, preventing heat from escaping. Placing the PS4 inside a tight TV cabinet, against a wall, or near other heat-producing devices can make the problem much worse. In hot environments or poorly ventilated rooms, the PS4's cooling system may simply be unable to keep temperatures within safe limits, triggering the shutdown. What to do immediately when you see the red light. If your PS4 shows a pulsing red light, the first thing you should do is turn it off completely and unplug it. Do not repeatedly try to turn it back on, as this can trap heat inside the system. Let the console cool down for at least 20 to 30 minutes, or longer if it feels very hot to the touch. Once cooled, move it to a well-ventilated area with plenty of open space around all sides. Then try powering it on again. When the problem isn't just overheating. If your PS4 continues to shut down quickly even after cooling and improving airflow, the issue may go beyond simple heat buildup. A failing internal fan, degraded thermal paste, or other hardware faults can cause persistent overheating. In these cases, the red light is a symptom rather than the root cause. Continued use without repair can lead to permanent damage.